Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook open and your account signed in. Now start by creating a small folder system. Create Action, Waiting, and Archive folders so you separate items by status. Next, use quick steps to set a single-click routine. Move to Action and mark as flagged. Once done, flag time-sensitive messages and add a due date. This gives you immediate control and a repeatable entry point so incoming mail is triaged instead of piling up. Once your basic folders and quick steps are active, build rules to automate sorting. Filter newsletters, clients, and receipts into designated folders. Use categories with distinct colors to tag by project, priority, or context, and make sure you apply them automatically where possible. Create search folders for unread, flagged, and messages from your boss so you can jump to what matters. Also enable conditional formatting to highlight urgent senders. Finish the system by scheduling a weekly review. Clear action and update waiting items, archive completed threads, and reopen any stalled messages. Make archiving a habit so the inbox remains near zero. Use search folders to confirm nothing was missed. If something goes wrong, like folders not syncing or rules failing, check account connection, repair the OSD/PSD, and restart Outlook. Reapply a rule or run quick repair if needed. This keeps your tracking reliable and minimizes recurring disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.